Hi folks, and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. This week, I've finally started working on the animations for climbing, so let's take a look at what I've been doing. In Blender, I have created an upwards climbing animation for the main character. Now, I have no idea what it looks like when people climb things. I'm no climbing expert, so I've just referenced images online to see what it looks like people rock climbing, sort of interpolated between those and come up with this animation. If it looks very wrong, somebody please let me know. But to me it looks sort of similar to what I've seen in other games, and in real life. So I'm guessing this is at least somewhat close. It's kind of flagged a few issues for me in terms of how the body moves, and it looks like I'm going to need a few more controllers for specifically around the hips to get the proper deformation of the mesh, because it's starting to look a bit dodgy in places. So if you don't zoom in too much, it doesn't look too bad. So we'll just stay at a distance for now, and that'll be something that I need to go back and fix. But overall, I'm quite happy with how this animation has turned out. So let's have a look at it in Unity. Here it is in the game. I think the animation looks pretty good for climbing up the way. And what I've tried to do is get a decent speed value for actually climbing up the wall. So something that not only matches the animation speed, which I can play around with, but also, the actual speed of movement up the wall. So I don't want you flying up the wall, because that's like almost superhuman. Nor do I want it to be too slow, because then you're just going to get bored of climbing. Not that it's going to be overly fun, but just have that exploration feel without it being tedious. Now, it's going to be really cool when I add in all the other directional animations, and I'm looking forward to working on those. There's also the sort of transitional animations as well, like when you start off on the ground and then you start climbing on the wall. At the moment it's just you snap to the wall, same as if you start on the top of the wall and you start climbing down, or you're dropping from a height and you grab on. Have some sort of animation there for maybe sliding down the wall a bit, and then sort of the pull of gravity when you get to the bottom, that sort of dip, and then letting go of the wall as well if you want to just fall from a height. All those little transitional ones to add in as well. But my focus is going to be definitely in the short term on all the directional movement animations for climbing, and then blending between all of those like I did for the targeting animations. And then I'll work on the transitional ones after that. But I'm really chuffed with how this has turned out, and really looking forward to working on all those animations as well. What do you think about this week's video? I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.